I'm Delwyn Derrick, everyone calls me Sheep. I'm the founder of Bellevue Football Club in Wrexham. We are Wales's first and award-winning, league-registered, multi-ethnic and inclusion-specific football club. We started the club in 2016 to provide league football opportunities to people from perceived adverse backgrounds.
Currently I'm living in temporary accommodation. Came there because obviously I had a couple of family issues, and then obviously ended up going to Llandy because I had nowhere to live.
We're not inherently different to any other football club in the fact that we're a football club. It's the personal touch that comes from the coaches and the volunteers at the club and the players themselves, where we lift each other up no matter what's going wrong in anyone's life. Everyone has some kind of shared lived experience where we can pick each other up always, and I think that's what makes us unique.
We had some problems with players getting like stress or whatever, and they come to you and ask you, oh, can you support me on that? Can you help me with this? I'll always say, well, keep your head up. If you got problems, come in, we try to help you.
Playing for Wales is my dream. Since I signed for Bellevue, I feel a lot better.
If someone with like mental health issues went to another club where they didn't specifically know how to handle some of the mental health issues, you know, if you've got a striker that suffers from depression and stops scoring goals, you think they're in a dip at any other club. But at our club, our first thought is, you know, is this a relapse of depression? Is this something we need to get involved in?
Bellevue is everything to me, and I think to most of the players on here.